Most people think they know why cats purr. It means they're happy, you might hear someone say as their cat curls up and hums away. But this explanation only scratches the surface. The truth is, the purr is one of the most misunderstood sounds in the animal world. It's not just a signal of joy. Sometimes it's a secret message, a code that even scientists are still trying to crack. The simple rumbling sound can fill a whole room with calm. But the question remains, why do cats really purr? Is it just for fun, or is there something more? The answer turns out to be much more interesting than you'd think. The purr is more than a sound, it's a tool, a comfort, and maybe even a superpower. When you sit beside a purring cat, it feels like you're sharing a warm secret. The vibrations seem to reach into your bones. But what is this secret language, and why do cats use it? Let's explore the hidden world of cat purrs together and see just how much there is left to learn. Cats have lived with people for thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians worshipped them, and cats found their way into homes across the globe. Yet, even after so much time together, the purr is still wrapped in mystery. People have always wondered what their cats are saying when they purr. Over the centuries, people came up with many guesses. Some thought purring meant good luck. Others believed it was a cat's way of showing love. Scientists only started looking closely at the purr in the last century. Even today, new questions pop up all the time. The mystery of purring has helped shape our bond with cats. People feel a special connection to an animal that can hold so many secrets. The purr acts like a thread between our worlds, inviting us to listen and wonder. Every time a cat purrs, it's as if they're whispering a riddle, just for us. Maybe that's why, after all these years, we're still so fascinated by the simple sound. It's gentle, steady, and oddly reassuring. But as we'll see, the reasons behind it are anything but simple. You might think a purr comes from a cat's throat, like a person humming, but the real story is far more interesting. Scientists have found that cats create the purring sound by using their voice box, or larynx. As a cat breathes in and out, muscles in the larynx quickly twitch, about 25 to 150 times every second. These rapid muscle movements open and close the space between the vocal cords. Air passes through, and the vibrations produce the familiar rrr sound we know as a purr. This is different from other cat noises, such as meows or hisses, which come from pushing air through the vocal cords in a more typical way. The purr is special because it happens both when the cat breathes in and out. Most animal sounds only happen one way, during an exhale. This unique trick is one reason why purring feels so constant and soothing. It takes a lot of skill, and cats are born experts. Next time you hear your cat purring, remember all the tiny movements happening inside. It's a perfect example of how something simple on the outside can hide amazing complexity inside. Many people think cats only purr when they're happy or relaxed. It's true that a cat snuggled in a sunny spot will often purr contentedly, but the truth is, cats purr in many different situations, including when they are afraid, hurt, or even dying. This makes the purr much more than just a happy noise. Veterinarians have noticed that injured or sick cats often purr as they recover. Some cats even purr when they're at the vet's office, clearly scared or in pain. Mother cats purr while giving birth, and kittens may purr when they are lost or frightened. The purr seems to act as a comfort blanket, both for the cat and those around them. It's also a way for cats to signal, "I'm not a threat." In stressful situations, purring may help calm both the cat and anyone nearby. It's like a peace offering, or a way to keep everyone relaxed. Humans often respond by comforting the cat, which is exactly what the cat might want. So, the next time your cat purrs in an unusual situation, don't be surprised. The purr is a tool for many emotions, not just happiness. There's a growing idea in science that cat purrs might actually help cats heal. Some studies have found that the sound and vibration of purring can help bones and tissues recover faster. The secret is in the frequency. Cat purrs usually fall in the range of 25 to 150 Hz, which is the same frequency that helps bones grow and repair. Researchers have tested how different vibrations affect healing in animals. They found that certain frequencies can help bones become stronger and even heal after an injury. Since cats purr right in this special healing range, some scientists think that cats may use purring as a form of self-repair. This might explain why cats seem to recover from injuries quickly. It's not just luck, it could be that their bodies are tuned to heal when they purr. Some animal shelters have even played recordings of purring to help sick cats feel better, with surprising results. Though more research is needed, the idea of the purr as medicine is truly fascinating. It suggests that cats have evolved a powerful tool to take care of themselves, and maybe even those around them. Before kittens open their eyes or learn to meow, they can already purr. In the first few days after birth, kittens start purring while they nurse. Mother cats also purr back. This gentle vibration helps kittens feel safe, and it tells the mother that her babies are feeding well. Purring is the first language between a mother cat and her kittens. It's silent enough not to attract predators, but clear enough for the family to hear and feel. This secret code helps them stay connected in the early, vulnerable days of life. If a kitten stops purring, the mother will notice right away and check on it. This early form of communication is key for survival. It means I'm here, I'm okay, without making a loud noise that could bring danger. It's a perfect fit for the quiet, careful world of newborn cats. Even as cats grow up, this first language stays with them. Adult cats often purr when they want to show trust or ask for warmth, proving that some things learned in kittenhood last a lifetime. Cats are clever. Some scientists believe they've learned to use purring not just for themselves, but to get what they want from humans. In 2009, researchers discovered a special kind of purr called the solicitation purr. This isn't just any purr. It actually has a high-pitched cry hidden inside, almost like a human baby's cry. This mixed purr grabs your attention. Many cat owners say they can't ignore it. The sound makes people more likely to feed the cat or give it attention. Researchers think cats developed this trick to communicate directly with humans, copying the sounds that people find hard to resist. The solicitation purr is clever because it works on our emotions. People respond to the high-pitched note automatically, just as they would to a crying baby. It's one more example of how cats have adapted to live alongside humans. So, next time your cat gives you that special, urgent-sounding purr, remember, they might just be using ancient kitten tricks to get you to open the can. Domestic cats aren't the only purring animals. Some wild cats, like cheetahs and cougars, can also purr, but not all big cats can do it. For example, lions, tigers, and leopards can make a sound that's similar, but it isn't a true purr. Their larynx and hyoid bone structure are different, so they can't purr continuously the way house cats do. True purring is only found in certain small and medium-sized cats. These cats can keep purring both when breathing in and out. Big cats, on the other hand, can only make a purr-like sound when they exhale, and it's much louder and rougher. This difference has puzzled scientists for years. Why did some cats keep the purr, while others developed the mighty roar? The answer may have to do with how each cat lives and hunts. Roaring helps lions mark their territory, while purring helps smaller cats stay close and safe. So next time you hear a cheetah purr at the zoo, remember, it's part of a family tradition that links it to your own pet cat. There's something magical about a cat's purr. It's more than just a sound, it's a feeling. When a cat purrs on your lap, you often feel calmer, happier, and less stressed. Scientists have found that being around purring cats can even lower your blood pressure and reduce anxiety. Cats and humans have grown closer over time, and the purr acts like a bridge between our worlds. It soothes both the cat and the person, helping to build trust and comfort. Many people say that sitting with a purring cat makes a bad day better, almost like therapy. The gentle, steady rhythm of a purr can make you feel at home, no matter where you are. It's a simple pleasure that doesn't need words. For some, it's a reminder of childhood, or a special bond with a pet. Maybe that's why the purr feels so special. It connects us to something deep and ancient, reminding us that sometimes, the best things in life really are simple. After all these years, the true meaning of the cat's purr is still a mystery. Scientists have learned a lot, but new questions keep appearing. Why do cats purr in so many different situations? How did this amazing skill develop? And could we one day use what we learned from purring to help people heal? The magic of purring is that it doesn't give up all its secrets. Every cat is a little different, and every purr has its own story. Maybe that's why we can't stop listening or wondering when a cat curls up close and starts to hum. As we keep learning, one thing is certain: the purr is a special gift, both to cats and to people. It's a bridge, a comfort, and a mystery all at once. And in the end, maybe the best part is that we'll never know everything about it. The secret language of the cat's purr will always invite us to listen, and to love cats just a little bit more.